Have you ever considered the possibility that time could be terrifying? Now, before you dismiss this as pure fantasy, let's delve into a little-known psychological disorder called chronomentrophobia. This term, as complex as it sounds, refers to an irrational fear of time and clocks. It's not just about the fear of aging or the anxiety of running out of time, though those certainly play a part. It's a deeper, more profound fear that can cause real, palpable distress. Imagine for a moment the constant tick-tock of a clock, each second passing by becoming a source of dread, or the digital numbers on a wristwatch changing ceaselessly, causing a wave of panic. This is the reality for individuals suffering from chronomentrophobia, a reality that can be debilitating and all-consuming. It may seem unfathomable to fear something as constant and inescapable as time, but for those suffering from chronomentrophobia, it's a daily reality. So what causes chronomentrophobia, and how does it manifest itself? This fear of clocks or time can be rooted in different experiences and anxieties. One potential cause is a traumatic event linked to a specific time or date, like an accident or a loss. Every tick of the clock might serve as a painful reminder of that moment, leading to a fear of time itself. On the other hand, chronomentrophobia could also stem from a more generalized anxiety about the passage of time. For some, the ceaseless march of seconds, minutes, and hours might symbolize life slipping away, creating a sense of panic or dread. Symptoms can vary, but they often include panic attacks, feelings of dread, nausea, excessive sweating, and even avoidance behaviors. Some may go to great lengths to avoid clocks or discussions about time. Understanding the causes and symptoms of chronomentrophobia is the first step towards addressing and overcoming this fear. So, what have we learned about chronomentrophobia today? In essence, chronomentrophobia is the fear of clocks. It's not simply a distaste for the ticking sound or an aversion to the sight of a clock, but a deep-rooted fear that can cause considerable distress and interfere with daily life. We delved into the possible causes, which can range from a traumatic experience related to time or clocks to a deep-seated fear of time passing or running out. This phobia manifests itself through various symptoms, including panic attacks, rapid heartbeat, and even fainting. It's essential to remember that while this fear may seem irrational to some, it's very real for those who experience it. Those suffering from chronomentrophobia aren't simply being dramatic. They're grappling with a profound psychological condition. Fear of time is more than a poetic notion. It's a psychological reality that deserves our understanding and empathy.